Great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, fog lamps, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, front reading lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.